Come to the next second day lectures, and the points are statistical organizations in India. Statistical organization in operation today is gradually developed over a considerable time period. Mughal emperors, Britishers set some statistical system in India. After independence, according to Constitution of India, the central government modified the system. The Central Statistical Organization CSO associated with Cabinet Secretariat at center looks after various activities such as collection and compilation of data. The concerned regular publication are taken care of by CSO. It is the main coordinating agency of various statistical organizations in center as well as states of our country. We study some important statistical organizations in India. Then first organization is Central Statistical Organization, that is we call as the CSO. Central government has established Central Statistical Organization for coordination of statistical organization within the states. This was set in May 1951. CSO works under the Cabinet Secretariat. CSO was established with a view of laying down the standards in the statistical fields, coordination of statistical activities at the center and in the state, maintaining liaison in statistical matters with international agencies, playing an advisory role in statistical matters. The National Income Unit was transferred from Ministry of Finance to the CSO in the year 1954. In 1957, Industrial Statistics was transferred to CSO. In 1961, Department of Statistics was set up in the Cabinet Secretariat and CSO becomes a part of it. Hence, the additional duties CSO had stated performing are as follows: preparation of national accounts, processing and publication of industrial statistics, conduct of economic census and surveys, maintenance of consumer price index number, organizing various training programs in official statistics, organizing various conferences on regular basis. Now come to the next second organization, National Sample Survey Organization. In short, we call it as a NSSO. NSS was set up in 1950 under the guidance of Professor P.C. Mahalanobis, and it was reorganized in 1970 under the name of National Sample Survey Organization, that is NSSO. All aspects of survey work were considered together to form NSSO. It is headed by Chief Executive